Okay, so this is where the students requested for me to do a video on the pyramid again. And if you look here, you can see that I have my isometric axes here already constructed. You should know how to do that. And on another paper, you can see I have my hexagon and it's enclosed, right? And you can see that I've labeled it here to make the construction easier for me. So first thing I'm going to do is take the measurement of the enclosement for the hexagon and transfer it onto the isometric projection. So you have this measurement here from G to H. I'm going to take that measurement first. And then I'm going to transfer it over here. So you should have G and H. Next, I'm going to transfer from H to I. So I'm going to take the measurement from H to I. And I'm going to transfer it here. So that would be from H to I. So to get the other 2 points, you can take the measurement from G to J, this measurement here. Then you're going to come to point G over here and scribe an arc. Then you can take the measurement from I to J. Then you come to point I over here and transfer it. So that's going to give you point J. And then you can just join the points together. So you can see I have the enclosed figure here. So now I can start transferring these points here, A, B, E, and D. So you can take this one measurement here from A to G. And it would be the same here, and same here. Right, so you can just take this one measurement alone. And then you can transfer it on the enclosed figure. So that gives us A, B, E, and D. Alright, so now we just need to have these points here, F and C. So all you need is this measurement here from G to point F. And you mark it off over here. And then you can connect this line over here, and you can draw in the hexagon. So you can see I have my hexagon there on the bottom plane, right? So now all we need to do is find the apex, and once we find the apex, we can join the points of the hexagon to the apex, and the pyramid is finished. So to find the apex, we have to know the center first. And coming back to this hexagon here, remember when you're constructing this hexagon, it would be where you stick the point of the compass, right? So that's going to be where the center is. Just going to label that as point O. So you can take the measurement of the center, and then you can transfer it over here, right? So this is going to be your center. And then what we would need to do is just slide this 90-degree line here to the same center that we marked off there. So you're going to slide it to that center, and you're going to draw up your line. So now we can mark off the apex, or we can mark off the height of the pyramid. Let's say if the height is 65 mm. So I'm going to measure 65 mm. Right? Then I'm going to come to the center here and mark off 65 mm. So this point here at the top is the apex. And then all I need to do is join the points of the hexagon to the apex. And that there is your pyramid. So for the parts that would show on the pyramid, you would definitely see AB. You would definitely see this side here from A to F. You would see from B to C. And C to D. Right? So point E you won't really see because it would be blocked from the front view, right? So then you can just connect those points to the apex, or just deepen those lines. that's basically what the pyramid would look like.